Good morning students, I am your computer teacher JP Gupta sir. So student, in this video I am going to start your new chapter working with styles and objects. So students, in this chapter we shall discuss about the some more useful and powerful options inbuilt in Microsoft Word. First topic is students word art. So let us see what the word art is and how to use it in Microsoft Word. So student, word art is very important and powerful options present in Microsoft Word. This feature is used to give the text to the artistic look and the creative look student. This this is especially used to give the heading in artistic style student. So to add the word art effect in the text student, following steps are taken. First is we have to click on the insert tab and now we select the word art button in the text group student. Whenever you click on the word art button, one word art edit word art text box will appear on your computer screen. Now here we type the text which you want to be displayed in the word art students. So after that, after typing, we click on OK button. Whenever you click on the OK button student, the same effect will be applied on your text which you have chosen. So students, in this way we can create the word art effects, and after creating the word art text students, this text can be modified and resized and rotated according to per requirement student. Next heading is working with shape. So this options help you to different shape like star, banners, callouts, connector, etc. student. With the help of this shape, you can draw the attention and provide the impact to your message. So students, in this manner you can enhance the look of your document also. So to add the shape students, the following steps are taken. First of all, we have to click on the shape button in the illustration group on the insert tab. Whenever you click here student, one pop-up menu will appear displaying the different type of the shape like lines, basic shape, block, arrow, flowchart, callouts, stars and etc. student. From the pop-up menu we can select the any suitable shape which you want to insert in your document by clicking. Whenever you click on the shape student, now the mouse pointer will be changed. The shape of the mouse pointer will be changed into the crosshair symbols on the working area, and now we drag the mouse over the place where you want to be display this shape students, and whenever release your mouse button student, you will find that the shape is created, and after inserting the shape you can also modify, resize and rotate the shape student in different direction. After that student, next heading is inserting clip art. So clip art is the features inbuilt in Microsoft Word that allow the user to insert the pictures, ready-made pictures directly in the document, student. This option provide you different pictures which are pre-stored in your computer program, students. So to add the clip art, following steps are taken. First of all, first step is, student, place the cursor where you want to insert the picture, and second option is click on the clip art button in the illustration group. On the insert tab, students, whenever you click on the clip art button, clip art task will be appeared on the right side of the window. Now in the search for box, here you can type the text, okay, related to the image which you want to be insert. For example, computer, and click on go button, student. Whenever you click on the go button, it will display all the clip art images related to the computer. So you can select any one of the picture which you like, student, by double clicking. Whenever you double click on the picture, the selected picture will be inserted in your document. So students, thank you.